Is your air compressor releasing air unexpectedly, struggling to maintain pressure, or frequently activating the safety valve? A faulty auxiliary valve could be affecting your compressor's performance and safety. Welcome to WholeToolBox. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the auxiliary valve on your air compressor and help restore reliable pressure regulation. This component is located on the top of the air tank near the pressure switch, pressure gauge, and discharge piping, where it helps regulate airflow and protects the system from excessive pressure. The auxiliary valve plays an important role in maintaining safe operating pressure. It directs compressed air through the system while the built-in safety relief valves automatically release excess pressure if it exceeds the recommended limit. Over time, this assembly can fail due to corrosion, dirt buildup, worn seals, repeated pressure cycling, or normal wear. A faulty valve may cause constant air leaks, unstable pressure, poor compressor performance, or failure of the safety relief mechanism. Before beginning the replacement, disconnect the compressor from the power source and completely drain all air from the tank. Confirm that the pressure gauge reads 0 before servicing the unit. Using the appropriate wrench, carefully disconnect any fittings or tubing attached to the auxiliary valve assembly. Unscrew the faulty valve from its mounting location and inspect the connecting threads for dirt or damage. Clean the threads thoroughly and apply an appropriate thread sealant if recommended by the manufacturer. Install the new auxiliary valve, tighten it securely without over-tightening, and reconnect all fittings and tubing. Once everything is reassembled, restore power and allow the compressor to build pressure. Carefully inspect the valve and all connections for air leaks. Verify that the compressor reaches normal operating pressure and that the safety relief valves function correctly before returning the unit to service. If your compressor continues to experience pressure issues or air leaks, additional components may also require inspection. Check the link in the description to find the correct replacement auxiliary valve with safety relief valves and other compatible air compressor parts. For quality replacement parts, repair guides, and maintenance tips, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel for more equipment repair videos. Thanks for watching.